Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel Peter and today I'll be doing some brief introduction about Pixel Lab. So this is the interface of the Pixel Lab, as you can see. So I'm going to take you walk through to some tools that you can use. So let's start. Now these are the backgrounds that you can use. Yeah, these are already made backgrounds, so you can select from anyone you wish to select from. As you can see, so you can pick anyone you wish to pick from. 3D text background, you can see we have different kind of backgrounds here, different backgrounds. So you can see. So we have the text. We have the text. So you will need to type something before you get more options. Okay, as you can see, we have different options here. So that you can edit from here, and also you can delete your text. You can delete your text and you can undo your text from this icon here. From this icon, you can undo your text from this icon here. So okay, so these are the tools that you can use. We have different kind of tools. You can also copy your text from here. You can copy from here. Anytime you want to duplicate your font, you can duplicate it from here. And also we have the front. Also we have the back to back, and we have the position of text. That's if you want to position your text either the left or right, as you can see, either here or up or down or the right hand side. We also have the relative position. That's the middle. You can put it here, you can put it here, put it here. So put it downward. So this is so you can also increase the size if you wish to. You can also increase the size from here. You can see, you can increase it to anyhow you want it. Note, you can also use your hand to increase the size from here. Whichever way you want to, you can increase the size from here as much as you can. Increase it from here. Okay, and you can also undo from here if you want to undo your work. Undo from here. Okay, so we have the colors. You can see we have the color. We have different kind of colors that you could use for your designs. You can see different colors. You can see different colors here. We also have the gradient. We have gradients here that you can pick from. You can see we have the texture. Now if you want to design your text, you want to make it in a form of texture, you can select from gallery. Let's select from gallery. Let's go to use one. So let's use this as an example. So you see that, you see it has changed to another color into gold. You can see you can enable this texture, and you can also increase the scale. You can also increase the scale through here. And we have the opacity, which is the transparency. You can reduce the transparency and you can also increase the transparency here. We also have the rotating icon. You can rotate it upside down, as you can see. And we also have the mask tool. You can use this mask tool to mask anything you want to mask. You can use it to mask out your shapes and some other things. We have the font. This is, you can see this is my font here. My font here. So, and also we also have the style. You can underline your font. Sorry for that. Okay, you can underline your font, and you can also delete it. And also we have the curve. We have the curve. You can curve your text either like this. You can see you can curve it like this. You see that? Look at that. Curve it anyhow you want it. And this is the background. You can give your text a background. Select any colors you want to select from here. You can use your left padding. You can see, use your left padding and also your right padding. The top too, and also the bottom parts too. You can also make it. You can also increase the radius too as well. So this is for alignment. You can also align to the right hand side. This is spacing. You can increase the spacing, and you can also reduce the spacing. You can see that. Line spacing. There's the line spacing, as you can see. Line spacing. If you have so many text, you can also use this one to increase the space a little bit. Let me use this for example. Let me just type in something. Okay. So, no. Okay. So you can see the space underneath. You can always use this line spacing to increase it or reduce the space in between. You see that? So that's for that. So we also have the stroke here. This is the stroke. You can select any color from here. Yeah. And we also have the shadow. You can see we have the shadow and some other stuff like that you can pick from. We also have the inner shadow. You can see inner shadow. Don't worry, I'm going to make a video on how to use shadow and emboss, because you can't use your shadow and emboss anyhow. You know, there are principles of using if you don't know how to use your shadow, you don't use it. Shadow and emboss, you need to learn how to use it before applying it to your design. This is the emboss. Yeah, you can use emboss and stroke shadow to create a 3D design, a 3D text, I mean. Yeah, so we have the intensity, and we also have the specular hardness. We have the bevel. You can see how the text is forming. We also have the include stroke. You can see. So these are not meant to be used anyhow. Yeah, so you need to learn how to use it. So this is the perspective on how you want to put in your text. You can see. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. Okay, so these are the 3D rotate. You can rotate it like this. You see that? You see? And we also have the 3D text. 3D text. You can increase it from here. You can select the color from here. You can select your color. You can select your color from here. So that's for that. We have a 3D shadow too as well. This is a 3D shadow as well. and also, as you can see, we have the reflection. You can see we have so many tools here you can use for your design. I myself, I don't believe Pixel Lab, there's nothing Pixel Lab cannot do. Yeah, there's nothing this Pixel Lab cannot do. You can design whatever you want to design. So if you want to select a shape, this is where you get your shape. You can get your shape from anywhere. Just come here, here, this icon here. No, sorry, here. And this is where you get your shape. Just click on it. You get your shape. You can expand it from the side. You can increase it. You can reduce it and increase it. You can also change the color. These are options that you can use. See, change the color from here. You can reduce the opacity and increase the opacity. So that's for that. And also, if you want to recover your designs, you can recover your designs from here. You can recover yesterday's design. Yeah. Maybe whenever you mistakenly delete your work, you can always recover it from here. Yeah, from here. Recover how to save. So these are my layer. So whenever I design, everything appears here. Yeah, everything appears here. Whenever I want to design anything, all my works appears here. You can lock your work from these padlocks. You can lock them, and also you can hide your work. You can hide it. Maybe you have so many elements on your Pixel app, and you don't want everything to mix up. You can always hide it from here. You can also lock them to avoid scattering of elements. So and also, if you want to crop anything, if you want to crop your pictures, you can. So now let's try to crop a picture from here. Just go to this icon here, click here, then you come to gallery. Let's go to gallery and let's crop some shapes and some pictures. So go to my gallery. Let's use this as an example. So these are the options that you can select from. Is either you use this cycle here, or you use this one here. Whichever way you wish to use, whichever one you want to use, you can use the shape here. You can see, this is how to crop your pictures. So you click, you see that. You can also give it a stroke or anyone. So you can also crop it like that. So that's for that. And also you can always zoom your Pixel app. You can also zoom your design. Yeah, if you feel like the design is too tiny, there are some people that wouldn't want to stress their eyes. You can always zoom to view your design, so that there won't be any errors on your design. So you can see where there's lapses and adjust it immediately. So whenever you're done with your work, you can always save it from here. There are two options here. You can save it as project, and you can also save it as image. Yeah, you can also save it as image. So and also okay, let me show you my already made work. Okay, these are my previous work that I've done so far. As you can see, these are my works that I've saved already. You can see them. These are my works that I've saved on my Pixel app. Yeah. So whenever you want to whenever you're designing and whenever you're done with that design, and maybe you submitted it to your client, and your client said there are some adjustment that he or she would want to do on the design, and instead of you to recreating that design, you can come here, you can come to my project here and edit it, then still save it back as project in case of anything. You understand? And also we have the grid. These are the grid. I talk about alignment in the class. So this is alignment. This is alignment. Alignment is very, very important. You can always use this to align your text properly. So let's use this. So this helps you to align your text properly. You can always zoom to check whether everything is aligned. You can see. You can always align it through here. You can see the edges. You can see everything is straight. So, and also you can also share your design. You can save your design from here. You can save it as Ultra. There are different options. I prefer the Ultra. Ultra is the sharpest one. Yeah, it makes your design to be so beautiful and clean. And also you can always share your designs. You can also share it through Facebook, Twitter, Google, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, or anything. So you can save it as gallery. You can also save it as PNG if you want to. Save it as PNG. Okay, so that's for that. And also, if you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please do. So please do, and turn on the notification for more videos. Yeah, more videos will be coming up every Friday. Yeah, so thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day.